Okay, let's get this started. Here I was in the garden thinking about what video should I make, because I've been posting some shorts and I've been posting some like silent videos, thinking too much about what I should do next. And then the doorbell rang and I had a delivery, which is some aquatic plants, because I'm putting together another micro pond. Another, yes, I have one, but when I say micro, please believe, because it's very micro. So let's open this. One plant. Another one. Another one. Very pretty. And is this the same as this one? No, it's not. And another one. So okay, let me show you what my actual microphone looks like, and this one and this next one is gonna look exactly the same. Yeah, I did say it was micro. It's just like half wooden barrel and with a flat back, so I would say it's like a quarter of a wooden barrel. There is an oxygenator in there somewhere. Here it is. It's solar. It's that one. Solar powered. And oh yeah, so I'm still waiting for the new barrel to be delivered, and this is where it's going to sit, because I have, well, this is where it's going to sit, because I have all the small water features on this side of the garden. I don't know why, but they all ended up there. It's a bird bath there, and yeah, the micro pond, have you seen this one, which I love, and another bird bath here. So I felt like that other side needed something. Wait, I have to show you my little bear, Mr Darcy. This is the true king of this garden, right, Darcy? I love you so much. So yeah, I wanted to do something on that side, and the oxygenator is already here. It has been delivered yesterday. Now the plants, and now I just need the barrel, so I'll wait for it. And oh, let me explain why I'm doing elevated ponds. I'm not digging a pond on the floor, because exactly of who you just saw. This boy here, I figured that if it was like a pond on the ground, and it would attract frogs, because there are frogs in this garden, lots of them, and I don't think he would leave them alone, and I think he would drink the water, and sometimes, I don't know, you cannot trust that water is completely clean. So I decided to just do an elevated one for the insects, maybe for the birds, and who am I kidding, for myself as well. So that's the reason why when the barrel is delivered, I'll put it all together, I'll fill it up, and yeah, see you soon. I kid you not, a few minutes after I said see you in a few days, whatever I said when I finished the previous video, doorbell rang and they delivered it. They delivered the barrel. It's over there, and it was all wrapped up in plastic, which I already took off. I'm just gonna leave it there for a moment, because it's a bit heavy, and I wait for the man of the house, very cliche, to get home. He went to the office today. We both mostly work from home, to put it in its final place, and then we have to figure out leveling it. And then, yes, I'll show you more afterwards. The man has carried over the barrel for me. Now let's fill it. So I was keeping the plants in my dog's paddling pool while filling the barrel, but I think one has already died. She wasn't looking this bad when she got here. Poor thing. This is it, by the way. And finally, oxygenators, that's what the tag said, and this is how they come in. So I think I just drop them there. I'll let them loose though. There are no instructions about this one. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. So this is how it's looking now. I kind of built a type of a shelf here because this ones need to be closer to the surface, and that one that looked dead, she needed to be down there. I just need to add now the pump, the oxygenator with the solar panel, which will go here somewhere. This one is an apple tree. This is a cornus. This is a pear tree. There are some mint and thyme there. Nasturtium, flamingo, pink flamingo, I think it's the name. And yeah, I think the cornus will grow kind of over it. I'll make it grow over it. And yeah, hopefully the apple tree will grow as well. It's the following day. Oxygenator was installed with the solar panel, so we are now gonna see how it's looking.